I bought two iPhone 14 Pro and two iPhone 14 Pro Max from the United States, and it only cost me 23,360 naira to have those smartphones delivered here in Nigeria. Buying items from the United States and shipping them to Nigeria can save you money, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. Now, let's start with payments. Now, most if not all Nigerian banks have stopped processing international payments if you want to make payments with your Nigerian Naira debit card. There's a workaround. You will need to have a Dollar Debit card. This will require you to go to your bank, request for a dollar card, and fund that account with USD. Now, obviously, the bank isn't going to give you USD, so you will need to buy from a bureau de change. The second workaround is you can use services that issue virtual USD cards like Chippercash, Payday, but the downside is they charge more than the black market rates. Now, at the time of making this video, the black market rate to buy 1 USD is 746 naira, and Chippercash is charging 773 naira to buy 1 USD. That's a difference of 27 naira. Now, when it comes to payment, in summary, you will need a Dollar Debit card or a virtual USD card to buy items from the United States. Now that we have payments out of the way, let's move on to how you can ship the items you've bought from the United States to Nigeria. The service I use is called Heroshe. By the way, this isn't a sponsored video. I'm actually testing out another service that ships items from the United States to Nigeria in 10 days. So follow me on my social media handles if you want to see how that goes. Now, with Heroshe, all you need to do is sign up. You'll be given a US address that you must use when you place your order. Heroshe is going to collect your item on your behalf, weigh it, and charge you based on the weight of that item. Now, at the time of making this video, Heroshe is charging $8 per LB, meaning if you order a toothbrush, for example, obviously a toothbrush weighs more than 1 LB, it's going to cost you around 6,000 naira to have that toothbrush delivered here in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, my most recent purchase was 4 iPhone 14s from the United States. The combined weight of the 4 smartphones was 3.6 lbs, and I got charged 23,360 naira to have those smartphones delivered. And yes, they were delivered with no issue. Now, as I said earlier on, all Heroshe is interested in is the weight of the item you're shipping, and that's it. And for a tip, if you buy items on Amazon, the weight is usually stated there, and from the weight you can have an idea of how much Heroshe is going to charge you if you want to have that item shipped to Nigeria. Another example is this microphone. It weighs 2.6 pounds, so that's 2.6 multiplied by $8, that's $20.8, which is approximately 15,000 naira to have this particular microphone shipped to Nigeria using Heroshe. Now, the good thing about Heroshe is there are no additional costs, no custom fees. As I said, all they're interested in is the weight of the item. It's also important to know that Heroshe doesn't ship all items. They don't ship items like power banks, standalone batteries, and other hazardous materials. Here's a full list of items they don't ship. You can pause the video and take a look. Now, for fragile items like TV, monitors, etc., Heroshe is going to charge you an optional fee of $100 to crate the fragile item. Of course, you don't have to pay for the crate fee. They're going to try their best, but anything that happens to an item is on you. Now, for the shipping time, Heroshe consolidates packages. They ship all items that they've received every Thursday. And normally, it takes around 2 weeks, sometimes even 10 days for the items to arrive in Lagos, Nigeria. I have been in situations where it took them around a month for me to receive my item. That was during the lockdown period and also during Christmas period. Now, once your item gets to their office in Lagos, Nigeria, you can either pick it up for yourself or have them deliver it to your address. They deliver nationwide at an additional fee. My experience with Heroshe has been good so far. They haven't misplaced any of my items, but they've misplaced 2 of my friends' items. For one of my friends, they offered him credit to ship future items, although it was a small item, less than $50. So, now when it comes to insurance, Heroshe has insurance for items that have been stolen, lost, or damaged. You will need to report to them within 72 hours, but that hasn't happened to me, so I can't speak about that. Oh, I almost forgot. Heroshe can actually receive items from, say, your friend or relative that stays in the United States. Your friend or relative will need to provide the following documents and have a Google Meet video call with them to verify all the information that they've provided before they can ship that item to you. So that's it, guys. That's how I buy items from the United States and have them shipped to Nigeria. I hope this video was useful. Hit the like button if it was. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Valor Reviews, signing out.